Welcome guys, in front of me I have two AirPods Pro and I'm going to show you how we can spot the fake AirPods Pro. So as you can see at the first look, they look identical, right? The size is the same, the color is the same, on the back they also looks the same. But what we have right here on the original, here we have the inscription designed by Apple in California, and this thing we cannot find right here on the fake. Also, this one is different. It's some kind of the plastic, and here we got the metal, so we can feel it by touching with your finger. And when we go to the charging case, when we open it, just take a look on the original right here. Inside we can find the trademarks and the inscriptions, and we cannot find it in the fakes. And when we grab the AirPod, you can spot another difference right here. On this original we got also some kind of the inscriptions and the trademarks, and on the fake we cannot find it. Let's check on the right AirPod. It will be the same, as you can see, but otherwise they look identical, as you can see in other cases. And let's take a look what will happen when we try to connect them to the iPhone. So those are originals, so we are going to put them right there. As you can see, I have to take a look on the inscriptions because I cannot even tell you when I grab it to the hand which one is original and which one is not. So okay, here they are in the case. I'm going to turn off Bluetooth on my second private smartphone. Okay, and right now we can move to the iPhone. So on the left we got original, and on the right we got fake. So right now let's move to the settings, then open Bluetooth. Okay, and let's open the original AirPods. As you can see, they are turned on. Bluetooth is also turned on, but nothing has happened. So let's go for the second. Turn off Bluetooth, then turn it on and open the fake case. And it's the same. We don't have this notification. Oh, as you can see, they appear on the list. So it doesn't even happen on the original. Interesting. Let's try to connect the fake AirPods. As you can see right now they are connected. So let's check what we got right here inside. So as you can see, it looks the same like in the original. Here we got the noise control, press and hold buttons, active face, automatic ear detection, microphone, optimized battery charging. We can even change this, check the serial number, version, model number. So it looks really good. Let's try to connect this original AirPods. So open the charging case and let's turn off Bluetooth and turn it on another time. We can unpair these fakes. Okay, as you can see, original AirPods doesn't even pop on the list, so we have to use this back button on the back of the charging case. So click hold. Keep holding until it's blinking on the white color. It means that they are in the pairing mode. So after a few moments they will be probably right here. Let's turn off Bluetooth and turn it on one more time. Okay, here it is. So let's connect and let's check what we got inside. And as you can see, everything looks the same. So right now let's try what will happen when we mismatch the fake with original. Let's put this one right here, close the charging case. Let's try to listen to the music. I will put it into the ear. Okay, and now it's messages. And I will try to play right now some YouTube music. Okay, let's volume up. And to be honest, I can't even hear anything. That's kind of weird. Okay, never mind. So, as you can see, that's how we can spot the fake AirPods. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!